how to set the calendar notification alert type to light, medium, or strong on Samsung Galaxy S25 series. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Now on the home screen, open up the calendar app. Next, we tap on the menu button on the left hand side. Then tap on the settings icon. Now scroll down and then tap on alert type. In here, tap on light, medium, or strong. Now they all have a difference. So for light, it will give you a short sound. For medium, it will give you a full screen alert with short sound. Or for strong, it will give you a full screen alert with long sound. And after that, you can tap on the back key or tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.